My name is Karan Devi Shankar. I'm from Mumbai. I've done my visual effects, bachelor's in visual effects, and graduation in bachelor's in BCom. The thing is, why I chose digital marketing as a field is because this is the closest field in with respect to my visual effects thing. So I used to work for Hollywood movies and visual department. But the day I thought I would, want to switch my line or upskill myself, I thought why not go for digital marketing. So that's the reason I wanted to join a course that was affiliated to digital marketing. And yeah, hence I started my research on which institute I could. So I came across Digital Vidya, and one of my relative also, they know the board members of Digital Vidya. So even I watched so many reviews and just thought, yeah, I can join this institute. So yeah, it was a great journey for me because all the trainers are well equipped with knowledge and they know what they are really doing. And it was a great help for me as I'm from a designer background. They told me like you can do these things in order to upskill yourself, and this will help you in if you want to do freelancing and anything with respect to digital marketing in future. You can use these apps or these techniques which will be useful for you. And it was a great journey, and I want to thank Digital Vidya for this and giving me this opportunity.